Super stoked with what I'm about to discuss with you. It's a project that starts this month and it integrates a lot of things that I enjoy and love to do. And at the same time, it's going to be a tremendous amount of work, but I think it's going to be worth it. We're going to be traveling. Essentially, it's going to be a continuous road trip throughout the US. And the goals at hand are a daily vlog being Monday through Friday. Now, this in itself has a few, let's say, speed bumps, roadblocks, obstacles, not roadblock, obstacles that we're going to have to overcome and kind of figure out how to get around, that being time to actually create the content and edit the content, and at the same time being in places that have Wi-Fi access. So that in itself is going to be rather difficult, but it is a feat that we are willing to endure. Another goal at hand is meeting phenomenal people such as yourself. Like we've already discussed, there's a lot of you that we've already built great relationships, and we've already mentioned the fact that I want to come out and visit you. So we're going to make that happen, in addition to also collaborating with people that have other channels and then also other social media platforms. So yes, it's going to be a fun time, and we're obviously going to be integrating adventures, whether they be indoors or outdoors. In addition to that, let's not forget where this channel started, or how this channel started. It was from haircuts and beard trim videos. So we're going to integrate that into this journey by visiting as many barbershops as possible. That being said, please, if you have any recommendations or suggestions pertaining to which barbershops we can go to or should go to, list them in the comments section below. This weekend is going to be our first trial run. We don't have our rig as of yet, so we're going to be flying out to Texas, and we're going to be going to Houston and San Antonio and meeting up with some Beard Struggle Vikings out there. Speaking of the Beard Struggle, they're actually the ones that are making this all possible. That being said, keep a lookout for a rig that has the Beard Struggle blasted all over it. If you see us, honk. And also, another thing, I'll actually have shields on deck. So if you want to perhaps make a shield wall, grab some photos and videos, let us know, whether it be on YouTube in the comment section or on my Instagram at Dan's Beard, where I'll also try to keep you up to date with our whereabouts, so that way you can see what route we're taking and potentially meet up with us. Again, super stoked with what's to come. I know it's going to be a lot of work, but totally worth it. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, think about subscribing. Until next time, peace! We out.